Here we have a brand new Range Rover in Hakuba Silver. It's a D350, it's a HSE, you're saving thousands on the list price, and it's done delivery miles. The car was registered yesterday, 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist. It's the best engine for a diesel, it's a HSE. My opinion, a HSE gives you everything you would want: heated seats, cooled seats, heads-up display. But then this car's got other extras. It's got shadowline exterior, it's got upgraded 22-inch wheels, it's got a contrasting black roof, privacy glass. So it just sits and looks lovely. I think silver always looks bright, doesn't it? It always shows off a car really, really well. So it shows off the grille, it shows them inserts and the different sections of the bumper. We had one very similar to this a couple of days ago. It went live and we sold it instantly because, you know, you can call us, you can get this car reserved and you can collect it within 24 hours instead of having to wait and order for one, and for one, pay more for it as well. Shadowline exterior gives you the darker finish on the badges and all them sections, even on the Atlas fence there as well. Upgraded 22-inch wheels. You get 21 inches standard. They're diamond turned. So you've got the polish, then you've got the black inserts, and they just set the car off, certainly against a silver car. Then you've got the contrast of a black roof and a sliding sunroof. Mud flaps have been added. You've got the contrast of the black along the bottom of the doors. You've got privacy glass, and it just looks really, really well, that car there as well. And also part of the new model Range Rover is the big bumpers. So that bumper there is all in black, and it breaks it up certainly with a spoiler and the difference of the black roof. You've got them lovely LED lights. I'll show you actually in the back first. So you've got huge boot space on a Range Rover. Split folding tailgate, huge boot space. All them seats drop if you wish. Just press the buttons like that. You know, I've got one of these cars, and when you need more space, just to press the button like that, it makes such a difference. Very, very easy. Deployable door handles, you've got soft closed doors, and then I will just show you inside. So we've got ebony leather, rear electric seats, natural walnut extended trim throughout as well. You've got illuminated seat belts, you've got cabin lighting, you've got a Polino roof lining with the sliding sunroof. So people, certainly on cars like this, because you do get a lot of extras that are standard, things like your soft closed doors, your heated steering wheel, your adaptive cruise, they're standard features. HSE does not give you an opening sunroof as standard. You've got to pay for as an option, and it's got it. Memory seats, 20-way heated and ventilated. Meridian, that is the next sound. So you get Meridian sound system standard. You then get Meridian 3D, so it's the next system up, which is a great sound system. Full heated leather steering wheel, adaptive cruise, as I've mentioned. Heads-up display, another great feature of the HSE. Clear sight camera, another feature. And then obviously we've discussed the sunroof there as well. It's the facelift model, so you've got the larger screen without the dials underneath. So everything works off there. You can see your heated screens, your heated seats, your ventilated seats, all works off this digital screen there. Camera system is absolutely tremendous. So you've got full surround camera system, you've got park assist, you've got your 3D features. And then I'm just going to show you some of the other apps. So wireless Apple CarPlay, park assist, you've got your Alexa, deep clean, there's lots of driver assistance, that's all your different safety features. You can customize that as well. You've got wireless charging. Another key extra, this is normally something, you don't even get this on an autobiography, you have to pay for it. Fridge. I sold an autobiography actually to a friend of mine a couple of weeks ago, and he loves a fridge, and it didn't have one. This car's got it. So HSE's top spec, but then having the heads up, but then having the fridge, the black roof, them little features, the better wheels, makes a big difference to the car. It's going live on all our platforms. It's available in the showroom. If you want to call me and get it reserved, the number's on the screen. Thank you for watching.